Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This tutorial is over our pattern, Joong-Gun Hyung. In this tutorial, we'll be combining the three merits of a good pattern. Proper technique, everything I'm doing as correctly as I can. Power, that everything I'm doing with sufficient power to make it effective. And focus. I look at what I'm doing, I look where I'm going. So let's take this through together by my count. Chun-bi, Joong-Gun, proper technique, power, and focus. With me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, go. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000. 3, 4. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000. 1, 2, go. Hey! Back to ready. Got it. All right, that is our pattern, Joong-Gun Hyung, applying all three merits of a good pattern. Proper technique, power, focus.